Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dispersion effect in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into duplicating of layers, using a select subject, using Liquify filter, warp tool, inverting a mask, and with the use of a custom brush tool. So let's get started! So here in our document, I got here an image of this scared woman. Her reaction is fit enough for our dispersion effect, just like from the movie Marvel. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a duplicate layer of our background layer. So to do that, moving here on the layers panel, just click on our background layer and right click on it and create a duplicate layer. And there you go. Now on this duplicated layer that we just created, now we're going to create a selection on our subject. So to do that, going on the menu bar, select on select and choose subject. And Photoshop will automatically create a selection on this subject. And there you go. Now after that, now I'm going to add a mask. Going back on our layers panel, the bottom, click on this, add a layer mask. And there you go. Now I'm going to hide the background for now. Okay. So the next step we're going to do here is we're going to create a solid background. So to do that, moving again on the adjustment layer, click on that and choose solid color. And now for the background, we're just going to choose a gray color and then select OK. And now this color fill layer, I'm going to click and drag it below our subject. There you go. Okay, so for us not to be confused, I'm going to rename this one as our subject. And after that, I'm going to click on the layer mask of our subject layer, right click on that and select apply mask. Now it turns to this. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Going back, now selected on this subject layer, now we're going to apply the Liquify filter. So to do that, going on the menu bar once again, select on filter and choose Liquify. It's over here. And this dialog box will appear. Alright, now in this part, we're going to use a warp tool. So here in the toolbar on this Liquify dialog box, go up here. This is the forward warp tool. Click on that, and then I'm going to click and drag to warp this side of this woman. I keep on extending that. Alright, so once done, now I'm going to select OK. And there you go. Now we have this looks. Now, the next step we're going to do here is we're going to add a mask. Click on that. And then we're going to invert this white mask into a negative mask. To do that, selected on this layer mask thumbnail, I'm going to press Ctrl plus I to invert that. And there you go. Now it's gone. Now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to make use of a brush tool. So yeah, selected on this, I'm going to click on the brush tool, click on this. For now, I'm going to reveal the half of the woman. So on the side, okay, so I'm gonna change the hardness because this one is too soft. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna reveal on this side of this woman's face. Alright, now after that, I'm going to choose a custom brush tool here. So going here, just click on this. Now, actually I created here a custom brush tool. By the way, if you want to learn on how to create a custom brush tool, just click the link on top. Alright, and click on that. Now we may now start painting on this. Yeah, make sure the foreground color is still white. Okay, now look what's happening. Okay. Alright, so to create a random sizes, just keep on increasing the size or lessen the size by the use of the open bracket key for decreasing the size of the brush and close bracket key for increasing the size. Okay, so I'm going to keep on doing this one. All right. And this is how it works. Now, I mean, I'll show you the before and after. This one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to create a dispersion effect in Photoshop.